Hey there, WealthWalk family. Today, I'm excited to share how I earned over $19,000 in just a couple of months on Fiverr, and I'll show you exactly how you can make $100 per day without any special skills. Just follow each step carefully, and you'll be on your way to generating consistent income through this amazing platform. Understanding Fiverr's massive potential. Let's start by looking at why Fiverr is such a goldmine for freelancers. According to SimilarWeb, Fiverr receives over 60 million visitors every single month. That's an enormous pool of potential clients looking for services. I'm going to reveal 3 Fiverr gigs with minimal to zero competition that you can start offering today, even without any specialized skills. What makes Fiverr particularly powerful is its global reach and diverse customer base. You'll find clients from every corner of the world, from small business owners to large corporations, all looking for freelance services. This diversity means you can work with clients across different time zones, essentially running a 24-hour business from your home. The platform's success is built on its unique marketplace model. Unlike traditional freelancing websites where you bid on projects, Fiverr allows you to create specific gigs, pre-packaged services with clear deliverables and pricing. This structure makes it easier for buyers to make quick decisions and for sellers to manage their workload effectively. Another advantage of Fiverr is its payment protection system. When a client orders your gig, they pay up front, and Fiverr holds the money in escrow. This means you're guaranteed payment for your work as long as you deliver what you promised. The platform handles all payment processing, currency conversion, and tax documentation, making it incredibly convenient for freelancers worldwide. To begin, head over to fiverr.com and click the Join button. You can register using your Facebook account, Google account, or email address. The sign-up process is straightforward, so once you've created your account, you'll be presented with your dashboard. Here, you'll see various service categories like graphic design, digital marketing, video and animation, programming, and many others. Debunking the first-page ranking myth. Before we dive into the specific gigs, I need to address a common misconception. Many people believe you need to rank on the first page of Fiverr search results to make money. Let me show you why that's absolutely wrong. If you search for video editing, you'll find over 40,000 gigs. On the first page, you'll see sellers with 500 or more reviews. Since not everyone leaves a review, a gig with 800 reviews likely represents over 2,000 actual sales, generating upwards of $20,000. Here's the interesting part. If you go to page 10 of the same search results, you'll still find sellers with 1,000 or more reviews, earning between $15,000 and $20,000. This proves that your page ranking isn't as crucial as most people think. The gigs I'm about to share have such low competition that you can start earning quickly regardless of your ranking. What most people don't realize is that Fiverr's algorithm is much more sophisticated than simple page rankings. The platform uses a complex matching system that considers factors like buyer location, previous purchase history, and specific search terms. This means that even if your gig isn't on the first page for a general search, it could still appear at the top for specific buyers who match your target market. The key to success on Fiverr isn't about gaming the algorithm, it's about understanding your niche and serving it well. When buyers find a service that exactly matches their needs, they often scroll through multiple pages to compare offerings. They look for gigs that stand out with clear descriptions, professional images, and competitive pricing, regardless of where these gigs appear in the search results. Another factor working in your favor is Fiverr's buyer behavior patterns. Many experienced buyers specifically avoid the first page, knowing that these sellers often have long queues and higher prices. Instead, they dig deeper into the search results to find newer sellers who offer more competitive rates and faster delivery times. This creates a perfect opportunity for new sellers to capture orders without needing to compete for first-page rankings. First money-making gig, mock-up services. The first and most lucrative opportunity is mock-up services. When you search for mock-up on Fiverr, you'll find around 9,500 gigs, significantly less than most other categories. Sellers are charging anywhere from $5 to $35 per mock-up service. Some gigs have over 1,000 reviews, suggesting at least 3,000 actual orders. If we calculate conservatively with an average price of $15 per order, these sellers are earning upwards of $45,000 from a single gig. The beauty of mock-up services lies in their versatility and scalability. You're not limited to just t-shirts. Businesses need mock-ups for everything from business cards and banners to mobile apps and websites. This means you can create different gig packages targeting various industries. For example, you might offer a basic package for t-shirt mock-ups, a standard package for business stationery, and a premium package for complete branding mock-ups. What many beginners don't realize is that mock-up services are in constant demand because they serve two crucial business needs. First, they help online sellers showcase their products professionally without the expense of physical photography. Second, they allow businesses to visualize their branding across different applications before making final decisions. This dual purpose means you'll have a steady stream of clients from both e-commerce sellers and traditional businesses. What exactly are mock-up services? Simply put, you're placing clients' designs onto different products, particularly t-shirts. The best part? You don't need any editing, photography, or graphic design skills. Instead, use free tools like placeit.net. On Placeit, you'll find countless templates for mock-ups, including t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and sweatshirts. The process is incredibly simple. Select a t-shirt template, upload your client's design according to the specified dimensions, adjust as needed, and download the final image. If you run out of free trial downloads on Placeit, simply Google free t-shirt mockups to find alternatives like freepic.com. Your job is simply to upload customer designs onto their chosen products, download the mockup, and deliver it to your client. Second money-making gig, background removal services. The second lucrative opportunity is background removal services. This gig typically charges around $5 per image, and successful sellers are getting thousands of reviews. Even at the basic package price of $5, that's over $5,000 in earnings, and most sellers offer premium packages at higher prices. Here's the secret. You don't need Photoshop or any graphic design skills. Instead, use remove.bg, a free online tool that does all the work for you. After signing up, simply upload your customer's image, wait a few seconds, and the background is automatically removed. It literally takes one click, and since many people don't know about these tools, they're willing to pay for the service on Fiverr. If you notice any imperfections in the removed background, remove.bg provides editing tools to fix them. You can erase unwanted elements, restore parts of the photo, and even add new backgrounds if your client requests it. Once everything looks perfect, simply download and deliver the image to your client. Third money-making gig, website testing. The final opportunity is website testing, which has less than 3,000 competing gigs, making it one of the lowest competition niches on Fiverr. This gig is slightly different from the previous two, but equally profitable, and requires no special tools or skills. Website owners and developers need honest feedback about their websites. They'll provide you with their website link, and your job is to review everything about it: the colors, design, button placement, functionality, and overall user experience. You simply navigate through the website and provide your genuine opinions and observations. The beauty of website testing is that you're paid for your honest thoughts, no technical knowledge required. You can earn $20 to $30, or even up to $100 per website tested. All you need to do is be thorough and honest in your feedback. This service is also known as user testing, and there's a growing demand for it as more businesses focus on improving their online presence. Maximizing your earnings across platforms. To multiply your earnings potential, don't limit yourself to Fiverr. Offer these same services on other freelancing platforms like peopleperhour.com, upwork.com, freelancer.com, and guru.com. This multi-platform approach helps you secure more orders quickly and establish multiple income streams. Remember, success on Fiverr comes from consistency and quality service. Choose one or all of these gigs, set up your profiles professionally, and focus on delivering excellent results to your first clients. As you build positive reviews, your earnings will naturally increase. This is WealthWalk. If you found value in this guide to making money on Fiverr, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you never miss our latest money-making strategies. Drop a comment below telling me which of these methods you're most excited to try, and I'll create more detailed guides for the most popular requests. And if you want to learn how to make even more money by just copy and pasting images, check out the video showing on your screen right now. See you in the next one.